Now you can get a mortgage at Walmart. It's official. You can get a mortgage at Walmart now. So next time you're grocery shopping or picking up other essentials, you can apply for a home loan as well. There was talk of a Walmart mortgage years ago as there was an Amazon mortgage. Back then, it seemed every major company, whether in the financial space or not, was pondering the idea of offering home loans. But it seems only Walmart has made good on it at a most unusual time. The first Walmart mortgage location has launched on Friday. The very first Walmart based in store branch, Lenders One location, opened in Newton, New Jersey. To unpack that real quick, Lenders One is a national cooperative of mortgage and real estate companies owned by publicly traded Altisource. Lenders One consists of more than 250 mortgage companies, including banks, credit unions, independent mortgage bankers, and real estate home builder affiliated firms. The companies apparently originate anywhere between $50 million to $25 billion per year. So a third party company that consists of many smaller companies has opened up shop inside a Walmart location. This particular Lenders One company is Family First Funding, LLC, which was founded in 2011. They are based in Toms River, New Jersey, which is about 100 miles away from the Walmart. In that sense, a locally operated mortgage company has opened a branch within Walmart. This is somewhat similar to the arrangement independent mortgage companies had via the Costco mortgage program. However, the Costco program merely provided a list of preferred lenders on its website that consumers could apply with and receive discounts and capped fees. So, to this person's knowledge, there was never a physical mortgage presence inside Costco warehouses, despite most folks knowing about the program. Anyway, that shuttered back in May, though it is unclear why, and Costco never said why. The program came to an end, but they sure picked a good time to exit the mortgage business. After all, mortgage rates increased from 3% range to 7% range in the months thereafter, making them look pretty smart in hindsight. So, two more Walmart mortgage locations coming soon. So within the next 30 days, another two Walmart-based in-store lenders, one branch locations will open. One will be located in Orlando, Florida, also operated by Family First Funding, and then the other a Boonton, New Jersey location powered by MLB Residential Lending, LLC, which is based out of Springfield, New Jersey. These in-store branch grand openings are part of a nationwide pilot program announced by Walmart back in March 2022. Lenders One expects to open additional branch locations in Walmart stores throughout the country, including in California, Ohio, South Carolina, and Texas. It's not clear how many will eventually open. The idea behind the initiative is to increase business for member companies via retail foot traffic they wouldn't otherwise enjoy. After all, very few people probably stroll into a standalone retail mortgage office to inquire about home loans. But if they're already in a Walmart doing some shopping, the idea of home ownership might pique their interest. And honestly, it's not that bad of an idea, to be fair. So Walmart Mortgage is a store within a store. So when it comes down to it, this new launch is effectively a store within a store, or more accurately, a mortgage branch within a mega retailer. To that end, any number of different businesses could lease space inside a Walmart and pitch their products. Lenders One president Justin DeMola noted that the physical in-store locations will help its members connect with and educate the local community about opportunities to achieve the American dream of home ownership. And even if they don't qualify for a mortgage today, Lenders One members can provide them with home buyer education and other resources to help them become mortgage ready in the future. So it's not technically a Walmart mortgage, but rather an outlet of Lenders One, which as mentioned can be one of many different mortgage companies. It's unclear if there will be a centralized approach such as uniform marketing materials across different Walmart locations, or a fixed lending menu. This person's guess is that mortgage rates, loan programs, fees, and customer experience will vary based upon the lender's one company in charge of that particular branch. But Walmart customers will now get to enjoy the convenience of being able to inquire about a home loan or even apply for one at selected branches. And instead of interacting with a computer or smartphone app, they'll get the old-fashioned simplicity of a face-to-face interaction. And some consumers might be itching for that, especially when it involves a major life purchase. So yeah, I really don't think this is a bad idea, right? Because another way to really think about it, a lot of places that tend to have a Walmart, that Walmart tends to be like the number one store in terms of foot traffic in that whole area. Meaning, like, typically, there's usually not really any comparable store that serves similar purposes than the Walmart within a very good mile radius. So potentially this Walmart could be serving a whole community by itself for just grocery shopping. But if you add services like a home mortgage, they could literally serve the whole community in that area this way. They could also probably offer like banking services right in Walmart as well and serve the whole community. Like, it would not surprise me if that in maybe like a decade's time, that Walmart, every Walmart will have certain branches in it, like a bank, mortgage lender, whatever, right? All within that exact location, right? You have the major Walmart, and then you have smaller stores always surrounding Walmart, and typically I could see those stores either within the inside of Walmart and the outside of Walmart, all owned by Walmart, but basically have like little mini companies that serve specific purposes like mortgage, daycare, schooling, etc. Right? Because that's pretty much the best route, I think, for Walmart to go. If they don't necessarily offer their services themselves, like these services themselves, basically provide a place that these services can just sit in, rent a space for not too much money, just so that they could basically be competitive and basically, you know, out compete pretty much any other supermarket. Because the thing is, if you have a Walmart that offers basically everything that you can think of in terms of what you would go and do, either for free time or where to spend your money, like basically if they pretty much started to turn Walmarts into like an one-stop shop for all of your life needs, what other store could potentially compete with them? None. So it's just something to really think about. I think the long game is that Walmart is probably going to try to serve the needs of quite literally every aspect of a person's life. That's what I'm thinking. Because Amazon has that aspect pretty much in terms of like online, but Walmart is way more in the physical space.